Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain some basics in polymer chemistry. So what are the topics we are going to cover in this video, or what is polymer, what is polymerization, monomer, functionality, degree of polymerization and different types of polymer, or how does the polymer classified. Alright, so what is polymer? Polymer is a macromolecule. Okay, macromolecule. Macromolecule means molecule of higher molecular weight. Okay, so the molecular weight can be greater than 1000. It can be 2000, it can be even 1 lakh, like that. Okay, so such molecules that have higher molecular weight formed by the combination of many monomers, alright, are said to be polymer. Polymerization means it is a process. It's a process by which the polymers are obtained from the monomer. So normally under high pressure and temperature, the polymerization is carried out. Okay, then what is monomer? So monomer is the one with which the polymer is prepared. So monomers are simpler unit of a polymer. So the next question, can all the molecules undergo polymerization? Okay. For example, if you take methane, what is the formula for methane? CH4. Can we polymerize methane? Is a question. We cannot polymerize methane. Then why? So the molecule that has at least two functionality can only be polymerized or can only undergo polymerization. Then what do you mean by functionality? Okay. So before that, I would like to say all molecules are not monomers, but all monomers are molecules. Okay, so this is because we cannot polymerize all the molecules. All the molecules cannot act as a monomer, but monomers are molecules only. Okay, so that is the meaning. So what is the essential condition for polymerization? The molecules must possess at least two functionality. So next, let us see what is meant by functionality. So functionality means it is representing the number of reactive sites. Present in a molecule. So that is a functionality. For example, methane doesn't have any functionality. Now let us see ethene. So this is ethene. CH2 double bond, CH2 is ethene. Also named as ethylene. So it has got two functionality. These two, so it has double bond, right? So the reaction can occur at this carbon as well as at this carbon. So the functionality is 2. Okay. So as well as for acetylene or ethine, which is also called as ethine. Even here the functionality is 2. Okay, bifunctional. And if you take propylene also, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. the reactive sites are this carbon and this carbon. If there is functional group like this, for example, if I take ethyl alcohol, okay, the reaction can occur at the OH. The functionality is 1. So, ethyl alcohol cannot undergo polymerization. Alright. At the same time, glycol, which is CH2OH, CH2OH, bifunctional, can undergo polymerization. Okay. So, those molecules that has at least 2 functional groups or functionality can undergo polymerization. This is bifunctional. So, one example, let us see for the trifunctional CH2OH, CHOH and then CH2OH, which is glycerol. It's a trifunctional which can also undergo polymerization. Next, what is this degree of polymerization? Degree of polymerization means number of monomers present in a polymer. So after preparation of the polymer, how many monomers are present in it, or how many monomers are combining to give you a polymer. So that is known as the degree of polymerization. For example, let us see this reaction. This is ethylene, right? CH2 double bond, CH2 is ethylene. So I am taking 1000 molecules of ethylene, okay, are polymerized to give polyethylene. Polyethylene is represented like this: CH2, single bond CH2. This is repeated, this unit is repeated 1000 times. So here the number of repeating units present or number of monomers present is 1000. So that is known as degree of polymerization. Okay, so DP, degree of polymerization. So there is a formula or how to find out this degree of polymerization. You can find it out using, if you know the molecular weight of the polymer and the molecular weight of the monomer. Normally molecular weight of the monomer you can easily find out. So if the molecular weight of polymer is found, okay, so certain methods, that is using Oswald viscometer, we can find it out the molecular weight of the polymer. Okay, so molecular weight of the polymer, let it be capital M. Let the M not be the molecular weight of monomer. So if you know the molecular weight experimentally, you can determine this. If you know this, you can, if you divide it by the molecular weight of the polymer by monomer, then you will get the degree of polymerization. Okay, also that is N. What is N? Number of monomers present in the polymer. Okay. So we have seen about what is polymer, what is polymerization, what is monomer, what is functionality, what is degree of polymerization. So let us see all these types now. Homopolymer, heteropolymer, homochain, heterochain and Kraft polymer. It's all very simple. So from the name itself you can get that homopolymer means consist of only one type of monomer. For example, polyethylene. Only ethylene molecule is present. Heteropolymer means this is also known as copolymer. So from the name itself you can get that it consists of different type of monomer. Okay, so in next video in detail I'll explain this about the heteropolymer. Different types of monomer. For example, nylon 6,6, SBR, styrene butadiene rubber. Those structure I will discuss in next class. Then homochain. Homochain means the main chain consists of only carbon atom, then it is known as homo chain. So most of the homopolymers maybe homo chain also. So homo chain means consist of only carbon atom in the main chain. For example, polyethylene. Main chain, although we have CH2 bond CH2 getting repeated, the main chain consists of only carbon. Heterochain, again the nylon 6,6 can be the example. So if it consists of heteroatoms such as oxygen or nitrogen other than the carbon, then it is known as heterochain. Okay, and Kraft polymer means the main chain will consist of one kind of monomer, and the side chain may consist of another kind of monomer. That is known as Kraft polymer. Okay, thank you guys.